Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 deals with the percent of a total. It says there are 40 dogs at the canine dog rescue. 65% of these dogs have been there longer than a month. How many dogs have been at the rescue longer than a month? So the key words in this problem are 65% of these dogs. Of indicates multiplication, and these dogs refers to the 40 dogs from the beginning of the problem, the total number of dogs at the kennel. So I'm going to multiply 65% in decimal form, which is 0.65, times the 40 dogs total that are at the kennel. If I multiply 0.65 times 40 and punch that into a calculator, I get the answer 26. So that means 26 dogs have been at the canine dog rescue longer than a month.